Upbeat music plays. The screen shows the channel name Buy Smart with an animated logo. Welcome back to the channel where we help you buy smart and avoid buyer's remorse. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras, pitting the Canon EOS R50 against the Canon EOS R100. It's a showdown that'll make you question your life choices and your bank account. Let's kick things off with the price. The R50 comes in at a cool $799, while the R100 is just a smidge more at $829. Reviewers have noted that the R50 is an excellent choice for beginners, providing great image quality and performance for the price. On the other hand, while the R100 is slightly more expensive, many users have praised its picture quality and versatility, especially when paired with the right lenses. So if you're looking to save a bit, the R50 might be your best bet. But the R100 offers good value too. Next, let's compare their brains. The R50 is rocking a 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and a DIGIC-X processor, which reviewers say makes it ideal for beginners looking for excellent focus and speed. Meanwhile, the R100 has a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor and a DIGIC-8 processor. Reviewers appreciate the R100 for its quick photo snapping capabilities, making it great for family photography. So, if you want the slight edge in sensor technology, the R50 is your guy. But the R100 is still a solid performer. Now let's talk autofocus. The R50 boasts dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with up to 651 AF zones, making it a favorite among users who love its tracking capabilities. Reviewers have highlighted that it's great for capturing fast-moving subjects. The R100, however, has a dual-pixel CMOS AF, covering up to 143 zones. While still decent, some users have noted issues with autofocus consistency, which can be a concern for those looking for precision. So if autofocus is your priority, the R50 has the upper hand. Let's get into continuous shooting. The R50 can shoot 12 frames per second with an electronic first curtain and 15 FPS with the electronic shutter, making it perfect for action shots, as mentioned by several satisfied users. In contrast, the R100 only manages 6.5 FPS. Some reviewers feel this is adequate for casual photography, but if you're looking to capture every split-second moment, the R50 is the clear winner. And now for the video capabilities. The R50 offers 4K uncropped movies with a whopping 30 FPS and Full HD at 120 FPS, making it a hit among aspiring filmmakers. Users have praised its video quality for more serious projects. The R100, while still decent for casual video, is more suited for fun family moments, as mentioned by users who appreciate its ease of use. So if you're serious about videography, the R50 is your go-to. In summary, both cameras have their strengths. The R50 is particularly favored for its advanced features and performance, making it a great choice for serious photographers and videographers. Meanwhile, the R100 is appreciated for its user-friendliness and affordability, making it suitable for beginners and casual users. Both have their own unique benefits based on user needs. So what do you think? Are you Team R50 or Team R100? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more smart buying tips. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it smart and keep it fun.